Guys, let's take a quick look at SEI here. It's having a nice day. It's up about 25% or so. So yeah, you can see here it hasn't really made a higher high yet. It needs to take out this high here at about 36, let's just say 0.2 cents. So it still has a ways to go, guys. Now, this is the 4-hour chart. It has had a nice, last day or so here. Now it is creating a little bull flag here on the 4-hour chart, and if we put this on the hourly, let's take a look at this, get a little bit better of an idea. So if we put a little trend line, although it's not a trend, guys, let's just put a line here, and yeah, it looks like it's breaking out, and that's really nice to see. So basically, you want to take the flagpole from where it started all the way up here to where it really ended. And if we move that, and let's see, let's just make a little flag here. Now, if we move this little pole, let's take it over here. Basically, the target for SEI is around actually almost exactly 41 cents. So now we do have resistance here at 38.5 cents basically. So we'll see if we can push through this. But I believe, we will be able to. This is a daily time frame resistance. And yeah, the next one after that, guys, is about 47.3 cents. Now that's a weekly time frame resistance. So it's going to be a little bit stronger. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin, guys. So as you know, we did get a half-point cut, which, hey, surprise for me. I'm still, I'm happy. That's great. But, okay, I thought it was going to be a quarter point. And I had a lot of guys that, they've been in the market a while. They told me it's probably going to be a quarter point too. And yeah, I even made a bet on Polymarket for half-point cut, and I'm glad I made it. I did gain a little bit of money there. But, I thought I could just as easily have lost it as I have gained it, had I done a quarter point or whatever, guys. I mean, it was just a big risk. But anyways, we got the half point. Great. Now we are getting a little bit of push here. If you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, we are starting to push against the resistance here at about 63.1. We have broken the resistance here at 62.4, and we still have a little bit, to go before we break the neckline for this double bottom to play out, guys. Now remember, I did mark this off with these two little lines here. Now we mainly looked at this on the daily time frame, I think. So yeah, you can see here, this is the double bottom here. And we just need to break about 64.2. So we have about another $1,000 to go, but that can easily come today, guys. We'll see. Now the target for that double bottom is up here at around $74.5 to $75,000. That would be nice to see because that would make a new all-time high. But most importantly, we have to break about $66,000 to get above this trend line. As you remember, and as I say, every video almost, we made the all-time high in March. We got rejected here on this trend line in April. Here's May, here's June, here's July. We got actually a couple rejections. August, we didn't get up there. We were very close. We were about $2,500 away or so. And right now we are, well, about what, $3,000 from it. So we're a little bit farther than August, but we can easily get up here to this trend line and break it now, I believe, guys. Now, if we look at the economic calendar remaining, which I didn't refresh this, and let's see, today we do have jobless claims. It's in about 20 minutes or so. We do have some manufacturing numbers and, home sales. I don't think there's going to be much reaction to that today. The market is basically pumping because of yesterday. Tomorrow, basically, you have an empty calendar, guys. Now, if we look at the CME here, we have, let's take a look. Let me refresh this, guys. The next CME meeting is in November, and right now it looks like 60, well, about, yeah, 65% are basically believing we're going to get, it looks like a half point cut, because I think we're at 5, aren't we now? So, yeah, current, oh, okay, sorry, 475 to 5. Okay, so it's a quarter point cut, which is about 2/3 of the market believing, it's going to be a quarter point. But, there's still a sizable number here believing in a half point. And if you remember, we had basically these numbers for a long time. It was only right at the end these numbers reversed. So it can easily be another half point, cut. And December, maybe for example, we get a quarter point cut. But I don't want to speculate right now, guys. It's really actually far away. We still have almost 2 months to go for that. Now, if we look at the fear and greed, actually we're up at 49 now, so that's nice to see. Yesterday we were at 45. We're in neutral territory now. And the crypto bubbles, guys, I believe this is going to be pretty much green. Only a few projects here are in the red. And for example, like Leo and FTN and the KuCoin, their little, what is it? Their coin, basically, KuCoin's coin, in red. So yeah, I don't really see many more reds. I don't even know what this little thing is over here, but it's red. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you on SEI. So be looking for this target at about 41 cents to play out. We are getting the breakout. And, Bitcoin, like I said, we need to break this neckline, and the double bottom will be in play. But we still have about, $1,200 to move right now as it looks. And, yeah, we have an empty calendar pretty much, still for the remainder of this week. So, anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.